Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. In today's video, I've partnered with Intrinsicurly to do a wash day routine and also a giveaway. So all the products that you see me using in today's video, you can win. In the description box down below, I'm also going to be putting an affiliate link. I've teamed up with Intrinsicurly, so if you do buy any of their products, please use my link and I will get a percentage of the sale as well. So at any given time, if you are shopping from Intrinsicurly, use the Curl Factory's link. Before we get into the video, these are the results. I absolutely love it. My hair's definition, it has shine, it's soft, and it's moisturized during the winter time. So you guys can win the following products. Intrinsicurly has two cleansers. In the video, I used the Luxurious Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is for wavy, kinky, as well as curly hair, and it promises to cleanse as well as hydrate. Now, all the products are curly girl friendly. So I started off with cleansing my hair, and the instructions say that wet your curls completely and apply a generous amount of Luxurious Gentle Cleanser to the scalp and massage with your fingertips. Emulsify by adding more water. Because I washed my hair on camera, I did use my spray bottle and I added more water. But if you're doing it in the shower or you're doing it in the sink, add more water and you are going to see this cleanser emulsify. It gives a nice cleanse and it's perfect for during winter because it does remove buildup as well. Also, you can apply it to the ends of your hair and it really does help to cleanse as well. Some of you guys might just need to apply it to your scalp and let everything run through. But if you have a bit of buildup, don't be shy to add it to the rest of your hair. The product cleansed my hair really nicely, and I then used the microfiber towel. This is the Intrinsicurly microfiber towel. It's nice and soft, very gentle, perfect for winter, perfect for summer, perfect for any season. So I did dry my hair with this. The results, my hair was nice and soft, it didn't strip my hair, and it cleansed my hair really well. They do have another cleanser, and this is the Luxurious Peppermint Cowash. It's for wavy, kinky, as well as curly hair, and this one promises to moisturize and detangle. In the giveaway, you will only win one of these cleansers. So if you do win, we'll reach out to you and find out which cleanser is perfect for you. So the other cleanser that they have that I didn't use in the video, this one is a co-wash, and it says that you must wet your curls completely. It will emulsify with more water, and you can also just let it run through. It's for all types of hair as well. The next step was deep conditioning. Now, Intrinsicurly has a luxurious creamy conditioner. It's for wavy, kinky, as well as curly hair, and it promises intense moisture, and it contains shea butter as well. I use this to deep condition my hair. The instructions say that you can use this as a co-wash during the week, which is awesome. It also says that you can apply the product, add some water to squish in the moisture, and leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes. I applied this all over and I left it on for about 30 minutes. The consistency of this is really thick, very luxurious. And it smells amazing as well. You can smell a vanilla type of smell that's coming through it, which was really nice. So I did apply a shower cap to just really try and add some heat and let it penetrate in. As I said, I left it in for about 30 minutes. I rinsed it out. I was happy. My hair is nice and shiny. It's soft. There's hold. There's definition. I am personally very happy. There isn't a leave-in conditioner, so I do have a leave-in conditioner in my hair, and over the leave-in conditioner, I then applied the styler. This is the Curl Creme. It's an anti-frizz curl enhancer for wavy and curly hair. Now, I have a bit of kinky hair and I have this in my hair, and these are the results, the shine. I have never done a wash day routine using these products on camera. I've always done it off camera, and I've spoken about this brand before, so this is by no means a first impressions. This is a brand that I actually have used so many times and I personally enjoy it. So teaming up with Intrinsicurly to give somebody all of these products was something that aligned with the Curl Factory really well. And this is the Curl Creme. It smells really nice. It doesn't have a flowery or floral smell. I can't really pinpoint the smell, but it's not a bad smell at all. And when it comes to the instructions, it says that apply to soaking wet hair, something I don't really do. But for the purpose of using this product, I did spray my hair. My hair wasn't dripping wet, but I did add more water from my water bottle. It also says that you can rake and scrunch large sections to clump curls together or twist curls around your fingers to encourage curl formation. Personally, I don't need to do any of the two. I don't need to encourage any type of curl formation. My curls actually come together very, very nicely all on their own. So when it came to the styling technique that I used, I kind of just smoothed the product through my hair. It wasn't necessarily the praying hands method, but something very, very similar. I made sure every single curl is coated, and I am very, very happy. I have been in protective styles during the winter time. I just kind of come on camera, open up my hair, but I did a really nice wash day routine and I'm very, very happy. You can also use the microfiber towel to kind of just scrunch your hair after the application. I didn't do that. I just let my hair air dry. I let it air dry for about 3 or 4 hours, and then I did lightly diffuse my hair so that it could get 100% dry before I went to bed. I woke up in the morning. I didn't have to really refresh my hair that much. It gave me a bit of length, not a lot of shrinkage, which is really, really nice. That's a wrap, guys. Just very, very quickly, when it comes to the giveaway, you can win one of the cleansers. This is the Luxurious Peppermint Cowash, or you can win the Luxurious Gentle Cleanser. One of the two will be in the giveaway. You also can win the Microfiber Towel, and then you can win the Luxurious Creamy Conditioner, and lastly, the Curl Creme. Make sure that you're liking as well as following the Curl Factory and Intrinsicurly Me. Drop your comment down below on what are your winter struggles with your hair this winter, and I will see you again. Take care.